Hello guys, today we will see the slash effect breakdown. I have already created this effect and now I will show you in detail how I created this. You will see each and every element. If you have any confusion or problem, comment on my video and I will try to solve that. Okay, so this is the effect I have created. Now this is my cascade. You can see full effect here. Now we will start watching each and every element in this effect, and then we will see what mesh or material texture I have used for that. So first is slash. This is single slash. Okay, I have used a mesh for this. This is ring mesh. If you see in Maya, this is ring mesh, and I have opened the UV for this ring, and then go to material M slash. This is the material. First of all, see the texture for this slash. This is RGB texture. I have this texture in R and this in G. Okay, so I have separated all R and G channels, and I used dynamic parameter for erosion that I will use in particle system here. So what I have done this, I have black color. If you can see, there is black, and I have this red channel multiplied with particle color, so I could change my color in particle system. Then I have this noise channel, noise texture, sorry, and I have used lerp to erode this texture. First I eroded the red channel that is used in emission. I eroded and I connected to the parameter erode emissive. Then the opacity of main texture, I used lerp with the same texture and connected to the dynamic parameter for erode black. So if you see here, first the color part is eroding, then the black. So I have two parameters here, erode emissive, I have keys on it, then erode black, then I have keyed on this. So it's eroding. I think you are understanding what is happening here. Then second slash, this is the same slash, same mesh, same material, everything is same except the color, and I used delay in it. If I run both of these, you will see first red one is come, then the purple one come after delay, short delay 0.2. okay, these are two slash mesh that are same. Then third is spark. I used sphere, same size of slash, and emitting sparks with light. Okay, this is very simple, you can create. I used orbit for the random movement. Then blue sparks, same because I have blue slash, so I use blue spark, but the spawn rate is low. Then red. Then light on the heat area. Here my slash collide to my ground, so I place particles here with light. Then this effect, impact fire small. What is this? When my slash intersect my ground, there is some fire, and I use same material. See that I used for slash, same material but not but not used on mesh. This is used in particle billboard with velocity, and these are stretching because I have size over speed, and I have increased size in my initial size, and I use light for this also. Then same, these two are emitter are same, but this is small, this is large. Okay, same material slash. Then this is also same, just the color is different. It's red more in this emitter. Then this one I use slash material, and I just duplicated, and actually this one was slash 1, and this is my slash 3. I have duplicated and I have removed that black part from a slash. I used only white part, so this is completely color. Then crack. When slash hit the ground, there is crack that's eroding. The same process that I used for slash I use for my cracking material. I have this texture, this has open in Photoshop. I have different texture in R, G and B, and that's my texture, and I extracted all textures, and I am eroding separate channels with dynamic parameter erode emissive and black, same as in slash. Then if you can see, first the red part is eroding, then black, same as my slash material. Okay, and I have locked axis on Z axis because it should be parallel to my ground. Then impact spark. This spark is emitting from my crack. If you see, I have placed my emitter initial location, and I use light for this sparks. And then rays. This is my rays material. I use lock axis on X, so rays are standing, and I use simple material. This is my rays texture. You can create in Photoshop, just take random noise texture and use motion blur for this, and I just logged it and placed on crack. If you see, these are emitting from my crack. Then smoke, that is also emitting from my crack, if you see. And texture of the smoke, it's a common sub UV that I use in my all tutorials almost. This is basic Photoshop cloud texture that you can create easily. If you have black and white here, you just go to render cloud, and you can just cut random pattern from it that I am using, and I used it for my random particles, and overall effect is looking nice. Now I will show you elements here one by one. First my slash, then my second slash, that is purple, and bit using bit delay for this. Then sparks, that is my sphere emitter, that's emitting exact size of my slash. Then blue sparks, same sparks, just color are blue. Then light, here's some particle there where my slash is interacting to my ground. Then impact fire, this one using same my slash texture on billboard. Impact fire large, same material. Impact fire, same material, different color. Impact fire, only fire. Then my crack, eroding, same process as used in my slash. Then sparks emitting from my crack. then rays, these are my rays, and last smoke. So this is overall effect that I have created. It's looking nice. I think you can create effect like this. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment below and share my videos. Thank you.